Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hoon. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. This morning I have a really special product for you. This is a glassware from the Kruve, one of my favorite glass company. So they sent me two. Let's see. It's called PQ. So this is kind of like decanter for. It's about 10 amps. So I'm going to unbox that shortly. And also this is called Excite and Inspire Glassware. So let me unbox this quickly. By the way, I'm going to shout out to Anthony. Anthony, I hope if you're watching this, please be well and hope to hear from you soon. Overall, I'm very impressed with their packaging, and then just first time I'm touching this, it's really good. So this is, let's say this is called Inspire. I mean, Kruve cup has the different names, but it's called Inspire. As you can see, very narrow space here. So I bet you this is good for like something, a bright taste coffee maybe. I'm guessing. And then this is more wider, so it's more you want to drink more like smoother coffee, more fuller, rich flavor, because it has a bigger head. It's got head space. It'd be really excellent with that. And also this is their decanter. So this is 10 amps. This is perfect for actually one serving. If you have friends over, you guys will share some cups, but this is only 10 ounce. So this is good for by yourself on weekends. You can enjoy this. Anyway, let's make some coffee. This morning I'm going to be using Sumatra from Big Brother's Coffee. The reason why I'm tapping this is I get all the beans out. Great thing about the niche grinder, I mean, if you put 18 gram in it, you're gonna get 18 gram or close to it. So it's really handy for home use, not for business. For home use would be great. Unfortunately, I cannot put the, let's say, filter to like this and flip it over because it doesn't fit. So this is 54 millimeter, this is 58. So unfortunately I have to use my dosing funnel I got from Amazon. And then you guys see me with a distribution tool all the time, so I'm just going to use that. By the way, so I set the same depth as the razor, so technically I don't have to temp, but I don't know. I mean, I'm getting habit of temping, so I'm just gonna temp anyway. But again, you don't have to. All right, let's put a shot here. Great thing about using really fresh beans, you're gonna get the lots crema, and overall the shot quality looks really amazing. So this beans roasted on 22nd. So today is what, May 2nd? So it's perfect. It's 10 days ago. So I think you're gonna get the best quality out of beans after like 7 to 10 days. So this is good for another week or 2 weeks. And after that, it's getting stale. So anyway, I'm going to make a long black. You know what? That looks really great. So let me pour the cup here. Like that, looks good. And so they're both 5-ounce glass. You see that line? So that's the way you're supposed to line up. I got a little left, so I think I did a 12-ounce here. So I'm gonna start with narrow one. I'm gonna start with the smell first. Okay. Okay, so this one is more fuller smell. This is a little sharper. Yeah. You know, by the way, this is silly though, okay? We are just drinking coffee, but so this is not a wine tasting. For some reason, something about this glass. I mean, that's why I reach out to Kruve. You know, hopefully they can send me some glasses. But something about just this is double wall on the bottom, so you don't feel the heat. I mean, just it's fun, okay? I mean, I'm not doing that daily basis, but I think I might do that maybe once a week or so, maybe Sunday morning, kick back and drink coffee. Okay, this is really bright, kind of a licorice flavor. Yes. Okay. Let's try this one. It's more sharper with this. For this, also I can smell it as well when I'm drinking. Yeah, it's really good, by the way. Okay, so coffee is awesome, and also its overall experience is so much better too, compared to my Vera glass. Here, I'm gonna put the rest of them here. I mean, the drinking experience is good. I mean, this is more solid. Man, the taste definitely different between this one and this one. It's more smoother, more fuller taste. Anyway, they're all good. I mean, this is more like my daily go-to cup. It's solid, feels good, and I don't have to worry about breaking it. It's not as fragile. But with Kruve EQ glassware, I mean, this is great for maybe you can have your friends over on weekends, perhaps, you know, kind of like show off, you know. But again, I'm not going to do that daily. But this is really fun to use it and fun to drink out of it. And anyway, I hope this video helps. And I think I went to their website last night. This glass is only like $39. Usually like 45. So make sure to check out their webpage as well. I'm gonna put the link down below. I mean, even my Vera glass, I mean, set of two, they're like almost 35, 40. So prices are about the same with this kind of quality. Anyway, I hope you guys are safe. I mean, be healthy and be safe, and see you guys next time.